Electrical safety certificates, ensuring a safe environment. Safety should always be a top priority, especially when it comes to electrical installations in homes, businesses, or rental properties. Electrical safety certificates form an essential part of this safety. As we know, electrical hazards can pose significant risks, including fires and electrical shocks. Obtaining electrical safety certificates is essential to ensure your employees' safety and comply with regulations. We explain below the importance of electrical safety certificates. Furthermore, their significance in the UK and the peace of mind they provide. What are electrical safety certificates? Firstly, what exactly are electrical safety certificates? Electrical safety certificates, or Electrical Installation Condition Reports, EICRs, are documents issued by qualified electricians or registered electrical installation companies. These certificates confirm that electrical installations within a property are safe and meet regulatory standards. They involve a thorough inspection and testing of electrical systems, electrical circuits, any electrical appliances. This testing is to identify any potential hazards or deficiencies. Reasons for having electrical safety certificates. One of the key reasons why electrical safety certificates are crucial is compliance with electrical standards and laws. In the UK, landlords, property owners, and businesses have legal obligations to ensure the safety of electrical installations. These safety obligations are outlined in various regulations, such as the Electrical Safety Standards in the Private Rented Sector, England, Regulations 2020. By obtaining electrical safety certificates, property owners demonstrate their commitment to meeting legal requirements and providing a safe environment for occupants. Furthermore, electrical safety certificates provide peace of mind. Firstly, knowing that a qualified professional has inspected and verified the electrical systems in a property can alleviate concerns about potential hazards. Secondly, it offers reassurance that electrical installations are functioning correctly. Therefore, regular testing reduces the risk of electrical accidents or fires. This peace of mind is essential for landlords or company owners, who have a duty of care towards their tenants' or employees' safety and well-being. Highlighting potential electrical issues. Another benefit of electrical safety certificates is identifying potential issues before they become significant problems. During the inspection process, electricians examine the condition of electrical wiring, switches, sockets, breakers, other electrical components. They check for signs of wear and tear, loose connections, or any other faults that may compromise safety. Therefore, by identifying these issues early on, necessary repairs or replacements can be made promptly, thus reducing the risk of electrical incidents. Improving electrical performance. Electrical safety certificates can help improve the energy efficiency of a property. During the inspection, electricians may, as a value-added service, provide recommendations on optimizing energy consumption and reducing costs. Part of an eICR test is a visual inspection, and our electricians are guided to advise on a full range of options while on site to assist the client. This additional advice can include replacing outdated appliances with energy-efficient models, installing smart controls, or improving lighting. By implementing these recommendations, property owners can not only enhance the safety of their electrical installations, but also reduce energy costs and contribute to a greener environment while saving money at the same time. Recommended time period for inspections. It is worth noting that electrical safety certificates have a limited validity period. Expiration dates for certificates ensure that regular inspections and testing are conducted on electrical systems to maintain the safety of electrical systems. The frequency of inspection depends on the type of property and its usage. For example, rental properties often require inspections every 5 years or at each change of tenancy. Regular reviews help ensure that electrical installations remain safe and compliant with regulations over time. Electrical safety certificates, summary. Electrical safety certificates are vital in maintaining a safe environment in residential and commercial properties. By obtaining these certificates, property owners demonstrate their commitment to safety, comply with legal obligations, provide peace of mind to occupants or employees. Regular inspections and testing help identify potential hazards, allowing for timely repairs and minimizing the risk of electrical accidents or fires. Moreover, electrical safety certificates contribute to energy efficiency and sustainability. By prioritizing electrical safety, property owners can create a secure and comfortable environment for everyone. For all your electrical, lighting, testing, and associated cabling requirements, for a free survey, contact us on the details above.